Hey guys, this is Yuji's Kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple milkshake. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below, okay? So let's get started. This recipe requires few ingredients. You'll be needing milk. I used powdered milk for this and I already added sugar. You can add as much milk and sugar as you desire, just ensure it's creamy. You'll also be needing some ice cubes, whipped cream powder. I'm just going to use the whipped cream to garnish my milkshake. It's actually optional. And I'm using this strawberry flavor for the whipped cream just to add more flavor to my milkshake. It's optional. I have my red coloring. And I'll also be using some sprinkles too and vanilla, which is also optional. To mix your whipped cream powder, you need to use very cold water. The ice cubes is for the milkshake itself. So all you need to make this is your mixer and your blender. I'm going to use the mixer to mix my whipped cream. So I'm going to start with my whipped cream. Just add your cold water to your whipped cream powder and mix with the mixer. I'm going to mix this till it thickens up. So this is what your consistency should look like. So now I'm going to add a drop of strawberry flavor. You don't need too much of this because it's concentrated. I'm also going to add a drop of coloring to get a pink color. Mix thoroughly to combine. I'm going to use my mixer to ensure it's well combined. Now our whipped cream is ready. For the milkshake, add your ice cubes into a blender. Then add your milk and blend. If you're adding vanilla to your milk, just add a teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm just going to blend this. The essence of the ice cubes is just to thicken up your milkshake. If you don't have any, you can just use cold water and add your vanilla and your whipped cream to garnish. So I'm just going to pour this into a glass. Now I'm going to gently add my whipped cream on top. Do it carefully so you don't smear the side of the cup. If If you don't want to use a spoon, you can use a piping bag instead. Or if you don't want to go through the whole process of making whipped cream from the scratch, you can just get a spray whipped cream from the supermarket. Like I said earlier on, the whipped cream is not compulsory, it's just to garnish your milkshake. However, it adds a lot of flavor to your milkshake, especially if you mix it together. Now I'm just going to add some sprinkles to garnish it and your milkshake is ready. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment below. So this is what we have. Thanks for watching.